am such a big fan of open shelving, so today I want to give you some inside tips on how to style it just like we would. Keep it minimal, focus on key collected pieces, and always remember that less is more. Cluster groupings of pieces together and bring in a variety of heights to create balance. Textured pieces always add some great interest, so don't be afraid to have a little fun bringing in some different elements of curated pieces. A little touch of greenery can really bring a space to life, while still maintaining an overall subtle color palette. And lastly, keep the colors neutral and you can't go wrong. I hope you guys found these tips very helpful. If you enjoyed, go ahead and subscribe for more.